Patrick Kelley, welcome to Tattooed Nerd. All right, hopefully this is recording. First take, we're going to go, whether it's good or not. That's not true. I would redo it. Hey, Patrick Kelley, distinguished architect at Zooom. I am not a spokesman for Zooom. I'm just a guy that likes to talk about technology, and a lot of times that has to deal with Zoom. And today is like every other day here on the Patrick Show. I always wonder if it's really a show. I upgraded one of my kids' Mac Minis to Ventura, and the new Ventura OS. And one of the cool things that it does is immediately it now allows you to use your iPhone as a virtual camera inside of your Zoom meeting. Here it is, right here. It's my iPhone, right there. Boom. It's right here. Look at this. I'm actually charging it right now. Let me unplug it. I'll show you. Huh? Using my iPhone as a camera. I put it on a little tripod. And that way you can have, everyone has an iPhone not everyone has an iPhone. Everyone has an iPhone or an Android phone, but everyone that has an iPhone and you live in the Apple ecosystem, you can now use this as a virtual camera. And look, it's pretty good, right? The quality. I mean, you already own it. It's a 4K camera. It's crystal clear with autofocus. That's pretty impressive. I'm literally just holding it now on a tripod. I can stabilize it a little bit and I'll put it down. But for literally no money, because you already own an iPhone, most of you already do, you can now make that inside a virtual camera inside of Zoom. So what happens is, let's take a look at the screen here, and forgive me for the ever-evolving windows here. Let me move this over here so that you don't see it. Check this out. I'm inside of my Zoom client right here on the bottom. I can now see iPhone as a camera choice. I could use iPhone as a camera choice. I'm using OBS as my virtual camera because I wanted to show you the screen. And you can see what it looks like. But on the left side here, I upgraded to Mac Ventura right here. And then here's what, when I launch Zoom, this is what the phone looks like. It says connected to Patrick's Mac Mini. And then I know I have the iPhone as a choice for one of my virtual cameras. I literally don't have to do anything in Zoom. It's literally already there because it's built into the machine. Zoom picks up the machine's cameras, and I have a bunch of them here, right? And I can switch across, and oh, look at that. But I like to use, off topic here, I like to use OBS because then I can control everything with my Stream Deck, and I can hit the iPhone right here. I can go to my Panicast if you want to look and see the other side, what I'm doing. I can then look at my Prezi presentations. I can also look at my screen, my screen of my Mac, and I can look at my other screen over here. You get the point. OBS is a very powerful tool. Combined with Stream Deck, you can be a really good producer of your content inside of Zoom. But the whole point of this video is now with Mac Ventura 13 point, what was it? 13 point, let's look, 0.1. I now have my iPhone as a virtual camera. Have a great day.